Hello, Vinesh.
Yo.
Vinesh, you have a new product. And for me, in the first glance, it looks like the old sensors. What is new with this one?
Yes, this is the FS501 immersion type flow measuring sensor, similar to FS101, just monitoring.
The old one has just been monitoring, and this is a measuring system. Yeah. So what is the application?
Just like in FS101, we also have the typical applications in our factory automation, like heating cooling systems.
Okay.
But this is also calibrated and has a linear output for a wide range of pipe sizes, not just for flow velocity, also volumetric flow.
Yeah, okay.
So can also be used in process industry.
So what are the outputs which we have here? Is it an IO-Link device?
Yes, IO-Link, of course, with smart sensor profile. And we also have analog and switching outputs. In FS101, we have two different variants, one for switching and one for analog. Here we have all-in-one and mixed output. And even better, the outputs can be chosen between flow and temperature.
So this is made for fluids, I guess.
Yes, fluid is the main media, is water. And we have three other glycol mixes, which can be used along with the sensor.
Okay. Yeah, so this sounds very promising, FS501. Yeah, I wish a lot of success.
Thank you.